when working out what your business will look like, you're going to consider what income you would want. What income would you like at this point? What's important to you around your lifestyle? What are you currently not getting in terms of your lifestyle that you would like to get in a few years' time? That might be something like, I want to be able to take the kids to school every day or pick them up from school, or I want to be able to play golf or tennis or cricket or whatever that you want to do every day. I want to be able to carve out time to read a book or go walking. But what is it? Or go on 6 holidays a year when we're allowed to do that again. Catch up for 2020, maybe that's your objective. But what is it from the lifestyle point of view that you really want? And if you're slanted towards building an asset, well, what are some of the key things that are going to make your business much more valuable in 3 years' time than it is now? And of course, there's going to be so many other areas that you're going to need to think about. The profit that you're going to want to make, the team that you want to build, obviously very, very closely linked to the asset that you're going to be building, and also the clients you want to work with, and a myriad of other things. So I'm going to take you through a few of those things now. There's 7 key areas that I think it would be really interesting for you to ponder.